Welcome to us. I am Pranapex. I hope you are all doing well. This is a video for dollar index, Euro USD, GBUSD for wishing for the coming days. Okay. So guys, this is dollar index weekly chart, and now price took previous week high. That means price rate this buy sell liquidity of the previous week high, and another name you can call that is market makers accumulate their buy stops above these previous week high. Okay. At the same time, we see in the Euro USD, price doesn't clear previous week low. In Euro USD, price doesn't clear sell side liquidity. Okay, that means SMT in between this Euro USD and dollar index. Okay, is smart money technique. Okay, so yes, guys, dollar index price took this buy sell liquidity. Okay, huge and where is the next round liquidity? Now price took buy sell liquidity. Then we have to look for where is the next round liquidity on the sell side liquidity. Okay, so we can expect this is first low target. That is previous day highs, sorry, previous day's lows. This is the our next round liquidity target one, and these days low. This is the target level two, final target. Okay, this is the next round liquidity, sell side liquidity. This is a sell side liquidity, and this is a sell side liquidity. Okay, I'll show you, and yes, now price. See now, buy sell liquidity, right? This buy sell liquidity above this previous week high. So I expect price will come up to this previous this high lows. That is my short term uh, my short term target. Okay, so I'll show you in this 1 hour chart, and now chart you can see market structure shift. Okay, after right this buy sell liquidity, now our confirmation to the bearish bias. Here price took this uh, swing low. Okay, that is shift market structure. Okay, so is a final target. Okay, it's a final target. That's a liquidity. Next round liquidity. Okay, same time this low is our first target. Okay, this is the first target. That's a liquidity. This is the second final target to the final target for the next round liquidity. Okay, so by the confirmation of by sell liquidity right in the dollar index and SMT divergence in between the Euro USD and dollar index, we can expect coming days or tomorrow or that is today is Tuesday. So tomorrow or Wednesday or Thursday, price will clear the sell side liquidity. You can expect. Okay, price only moves to the buy sell liquidity to sell sell liquidity to buy sell liquidity, internal range liquidity to external range liquidity, external range liquidity to internal range liquidity. Okay. Now, here's this stops rights. That is liquidity pools. Okay. In other words, that is liquidity pools. So our next round liquidity at this low and this low. Okay, this low. So show you 30-minute chart. Okay. Now, so for the insist there is order flow. Every up close candle will act as a support. Okay, so today's precision are almost complete. Now time is after one almost. So I expect upcoming coming up close candle or up close candle for tomorrow will act as a support. Sorry, resistance. Okay, for the bearish instant order flow, up close candle will act as a resistance. Down close candle will broke. Okay, that is our interest order flow is bearish. Okay, so I'm not going to sort this sort or buy no Euro USD. I will wait for time and price. Okay, as a ICT trader, we should wait for time and price. not price and time. We have to wait for time. Okay. Tomorrow's London session or New York, maybe we can expect short on the DXY, that is dot index, and buy on the Euro USD. Anything may happen. We'll see. At the same time, in Euro USD, you know, SMT divergence in between dollar index and Euro USD. At the same time, see guys, and this high is broken. Okay, this high is broken. That is shift market structure. So my eyes is in these cells by cell liquidity. Okay, this is my confirmation. SMT first confirmation is SMT divergence. SMT divergence, yes, between the dollar index, and second confirmation is market structure shift. Okay, so that is our next on liquidity is this buy sell liquidity. Okay, first target is this guy, and second target is above this guy. Okay, this is short term for the Euro USD. Okay, the 15-minute chart, as you know, for the bullish instant order flow, every down close candle will act as support, every up close candle will broke. Okay, same time, this candle may be act as a support in future. Okay, and time will tell the remaining story. We'll see. Tomorrow maybe in London open, and New York maybe we can, if setups, you see the setups for buy, we can buy, and the target is this level. Okay, I'm not finance advisor, just I show my ideas. I share my ideas. Okay, in GBST price almost reach its down liquidity. Okay, what is this down liquidity? Price clear this previous week low, and this is the next down liquidity. Okay, this buy side liquidity. Okay, this is the next down liquidity for the GBST. If price in dollar index clear this low, GBST will price will clear this high, and maybe we can expect price may be clear this previous month high also. Okay, for short term, we can expect price will reach these buy sell liquidity. Okay, in 1 hour chart, yes, and this is sell side liquidity. Okay, these security pools. Okay, and this is the shift market structure. Why? This is the last swing high. Okay, so shift market structure shift. Okay, and you know, for bullish and order flow, every down to central will act as support. Support. This is swing time. Near session. Okay, support, and this is an extra on liquidity. Okay, I hope you guys this video will help in a trading journey, and share this video for our struggle in forex trading. If you have any doubt, please use the comment section. We'll see another video, and good luck, good trade.